So this is the basic simple house, but we can definitely do some things to make it nicer without changing the floor plan or the overall profile of the house. That means not adding anything outside of the house, but just putting things on it that are architectural details, real ones. So let's take a look here. Let's make a chimney. So I'm going to pick a spot on this roof right here. It really could be on any of the 4 roof panels, and you want to go up. Chimneys have to be higher than the highest point on the roof, or the smoke will go down instead of up. And notice how that's on the green axis. That's going all over the place. So that up arrow now is going to force it to stay in the up and down position. So we're going to take that up a little bit. Changing my orbit definitely helped a lot as well. Come over some amount and then come back down to that edge. It'll tell you when you're there, and that completes a face. This is kind of the simple way to do this, but I'm going to use my P push tool and push it in to wherever I want that chimney to be. And then I just take this one and click on it again and pull it in. So you want something more or less like that. If it's too narrow or too fat, it might look a little funny, but just something in the ballpark. And then E eraser can easily wipe out those 2 lines that were created from that particular move. Again, making sure that that is up. It's actually important for us to make sure it's hollow, because when we use Blender, it's going to have accurate reflections and shadows, and it looks kind of silly when it's just flat. So I'm going to spacebar, select offset, and then I'm going to bring this shape in. You don't want it to be too small, you don't want it to be super thin, but something that looks kind of about brick size, and then push that down. So P pushing that down some amount. We probably won't be looking straight down into the chimney, but this way we'll have the ability to put some brick textures on there and make it look really nice. And again, you could even add a second one on this side. Any one of these 4 roof panels would be fine.